folks. Welcome to another episode of the Camel Cowboy Outdoors. I'm going to start this video off with an unboxing. This is some stuff I ordered from Dam Beaver Supplies out of Ryan, Saskatchewan. Ian there, he does a good business. The last few years I've dealt a lot with him, from power rams to traps to all sorts of things. He's right in our own province of Saskatchewan, and I ordered this and it took 2 days to get here. So let's open it up and have a look. It's just like Christmas to me. I always love getting new trapping supplies, just like I'm sure most of you trappers are. Let's have a look here. As always, lots of newspaper, but keeps it from rattling. Ian always puts in a couple of his stickers. Let's put this aside for now. Let's pull out all this newspaper. Yeah, season's getting close, and I'm getting pretty excited about it. Here we got 100 new breakaways, 280 pounders for my power rams, for my snares. Okay, I ordered a dozen new 160s, a dozen new Belial 160s. Come with a cable on them. These ones got the good hooks that don't come undone. When you compress these springs and you hook these ones, they don't come undone unless you move them. So there should be, oh, they're greasy. I'm going to take them to the car wash probably and hose them off. There should be a dozen of them. A dozen new 160s for Fisher, Martin. I want to run a bigger line this year, so we're going to get some more trap set. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And to add to my arsenal of 330s, I ordered three more Belial 330s. And these are all the Super X. Yeah, great trap. I've caught beaver with these traps, and the beaver have actually, like, these traps are so powerful they've actually broke the beaver's back. So the beavers, they don't go anywhere. They're really a quick kill trap. So yeah, that's what we got, guys. We got three of these, 3 new Belials 330s, and a dozen new 160s, and of course my breakaways. So yeah, we're getting ready, guys. We're getting ready. So stay with me. Well, my friends, it's November 1st, and I'm out here burning off some wild hay meadow. Usually we cut this. Last year we cut it, but this year we didn't bother. But I wanted to get this grass burnt off, and they're talking about snow tonight. In fact, today there's a few flakes coming down, but I think today will be the last day that we might have a chance to burn this, because they're talking about snow tonight and snow tomorrow, and we could end up with a few inches of snow the way it sounds. So this is just a great time to get this burnt off. This is one of the meadows I can't burn in the springtime because in the springtime this is usually underwater. Just a little too much water. So this is going to work good and get it burnt off now. And was actually going to set some fisher traps today, but I think this might be the last day to get it burnt. It's also the first day of rifle season for whitetail, but I got a little over a month for that, so we'll get this done while we can. Talk to y'all later. Well, that's just about it. Cleared this meadow off really nice, guys. Really nice. And it's pretty much all out already. It just burns up to the edge of the trees and goes out, but that's fine. I just wanted to get rid of the grass off here. And like I said, this year, of course, we didn't cut it, but last year we cut it and there was 70 big round bales on here. So I'd like to maybe cut it again next year, and this way, if I get rid of this dead bottom, this dries up a lot quicker and it's a lot easier to cut next year without all that dead bottom in it. So that's good. Now I can get on to some more important things like trapping and deer hunting. So I'm gonna go on my way. Just up here a little ways there's a field, and there's some deer trails along the edge of that field, and I had a trail camera set up there for a couple of weeks, and I checked my pictures last night and I had a black wolf on the trail camera, so that's got me a little excited. Be nice to catch some of them buggers. But yeah, time to get on to some trapping. Talk to y'all later.